Lodge 12-inch cast iron dual-handle grill pan keeps grease off your dish for healthy cooking. Seasoned cookware. A good seasoning makes all the difference. Lodge seasons its cookware with 100% vegetable oil, no synthetic coatings or chemicals. The more you use your iron, the better the seasoning will get. Made in the USA. Lodge has been making cast iron cookware in South Pittsburg, Tennessee, population 3,300, since 1896. With over 120 years of experience, their cast iron is known for its high-quality design, lifetime durability, and cooking versatility. Make every meal a memory. Lodge knows that cooking is about more than just the food, it's about the memories. Family-owned. Lodge is more than just a business, it's a family. The Lodge family founded the company in 1896, and they still own it today. From environmental responsibility to community development, their heads and hearts are rooted in America. The Lodge 12 cast iron dual-handle grill pan lets you add grill marks to your favorite foods while the pan's ribbed bottom keeps grease off your dish for healthy cooking. The dual handles provide great lift and control, making it at home in the oven, on the stove, on the grill or over the campfire, plus it's great for induction cooktops. Cast iron is unparalleled in heat retention and even heating, making it the right tool to grill, sear, bake, broil or braise. Seasoned with oil for a natural, easy-release finish that improves with use, made for decades of cooking. Easy care. Hand wash, dry, rub with cooking oil. Made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful for grilling. I love cast iron for cooking, both baking and stovetop, and the Lodge name is synonymous with cast iron cookware. As a senior lady, I don't love using the big propane gas grill anymore, especially just for me. I got a mini gas grill, but when I went to replace the small tank with another in the middle of cooking my dinner, I lost a couple of tiny pieces that attach the small propane cylinder to the grill. Grr. A friend told me he uses a grilling pan, so I went right to my exclusive shop, Amazon, and found this pan. I heat it first and use no oil or anything. I've cooked a small steak and 2 chicken thighs, different times, and they came out perfectly. You just have to get the knack. Note: the 10.5 cover was a separate Lodge purchase. It has little dimples inside the cover, and if you are cooking especially something with vegetables, it locks in the moisture by returning it into the pan, so I decided to invest in the cover to make the grill pan itself more versatile. This is cookware you'll be passing on. It does come pre-seasoned, and if you screw it up in any way you can simply season it again. It's fairly indestructible. When I did the chicken thighs I had to do a little scrubbing to clean it, but then dried it on a warm burner before storing. The less water and minimal to no soap, the better. Never a dishwasher, but you all out there know that already. A good solid investment with versatile uses. Update. I tried using PAM or similar spray and find this to be the best way to go, cooks well and no scrubbing afterwards.